Again, this line self, this is the liquid metal. Omo bi kukwana fuanya 2020. Ufuanya da no debwe. Esne fine menwali si. Anye wuli si atinye there. We see. 2020 is going to be Lifasefare. I'm the line self. I'm the liquid metal. I mean, double skipper will say, no mercy for Satan, no mercy. For any native doctor, wait for my fight. You have nothing to offer. All native doctors are criminals, collecting your chickens and your cow and your goat. There is only one God and there is only one power, and that man is Jesus Christ. If he has power, come out in a stadium to compete with me. Then they give you and I 2 dead people. Anyone that resurrected it has the power. Don't forget there is only one God and there is only one power. And that man is Jesus Christ, the Lord of Lords. I'm the lion self, I'm the fight, I'm the liquid metal. I'm in Taboski. I'm coming back from overseas.